Let's draw two pictures of Rocky and Everest, the pups from PAW Patrol, together. I'll also share two beautiful stories about them. One sunny afternoon in Adventure Bay, Rocky, the eco-friendly pup from PAW Patrol, had an idea while sorting recyclables. He found an old cardboard box, some bottle caps, and a few pieces of colorful scrap paper. "Why waste these when we can use them for art?" Rocky exclaimed. He decided to host a recycled art day for the kids in town, showing them how to turn trash into treasure with a little creativity. Rocky set up a big art station in the park, laying out all the recycled materials he had collected. "Let's make something amazing together," he barked, wagging his tail. He demonstrated how to use bottle caps as stamps, cardboard as a canvas, and paper scraps to create collages. As the kids joined in, Rocky started making his own project, a colorful poster featuring the PAW Patrol logo, with each pup's face made out of recycled items. The kids got to work, creating all kinds of artwork, flowers, animals, and even a rocket ship. Rocky encouraged them to mix and match the materials, showing them how to make the most out of everything they had. "Reuse and create, it's fun and good for the planet," he said. Rocky's favorite piece of the day was a cardboard portrait of him, complete with green paper ears and a soda can badge. By the end of the event, the park was filled with amazing art pieces made entirely from recycled materials. Ryder and the other pups came by to see the creations and praised Rocky for his creativity and eco-friendly spirit. "You've shown everyone how to think green and have fun at the same time," Ryder said with a smile. Rocky beamed with pride, knowing he had inspired the kids to protect the planet while making something beautiful. Creativity, teamwork, and environmental awareness. Now, we're going to draw Everest, and I'll tell you an exciting story about her as we create the artwork. One chilly morning, Everest, the snow-loving pup from PAW Patrol, woke up to a fresh blanket of snow covering Adventure Bay. As she admired the sparkling white landscape, an idea struck her. "Snow is the perfect canvas for art." Everest barked excitedly. She decided to organize a snow art day where kids could use snow, colors, and their imagination to create masterpieces. Everest gathered her snow tools and colorful, non-toxic paint sprays, inviting the kids to join her on the snowy hillside. "Let's make the most beautiful snowy paintings," she said, wagging her tail. She started by using her paws to carve out a large snowflake pattern, then sprayed it with bright blues and purples. The kids followed her lead, creating snowmen, paw prints, and even a giant mural of the PAW Patrol team. Everest helped them add finishing touches, making each piece unique. As they worked, Everest told them stories about her adventures in the snowy mountains, like the time she rescued a baby deer stuck in an icy river. The kids listened intently while adding pops of color to their snowy creations. Everest encouraged them to use the snow in creative ways, like sculpting little snow pups or painting scenes of snowy forests. By the end of the day, the hillside was transformed into a colorful winter wonderland. Ryder and the other pups came to see the beautiful snow art, cheering for everyone's creativity. Ryder smiled at Everest and said, "You've turned a simple snowy day into a magical experience." Everest grinned, proud of how the kids had used the snow to express their artistic talents. It was a day of snowy fun, creativity, and unforgettable memories. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.